What is the window sill, and what are the major functions of a window sill? Dear friends, window sills, also known as window ledges, are an integral component of the window frame. They not only give the frame a finished appearance but can also serve as shelves for decorative accents like vases or flower pots. Window sills not only add aesthetic appeal but also provide significant protection against the elements. Window sills are made from various materials, such as wood, PVC, stone, and tile. Each has its own advantages and drawbacks, so it's important to consider your home's style and architectural details when selecting one. With various materials available on the market, deciding which is best suited for your needs can be overwhelming. This video will help you understand the function of window sills. The function of a window sill. A window sill, also known as a window ledge or bottom, plays a vital role in your window system. It serves as a structural and protective feature for your home. While some may think that window sills are purely decorative, they serve essential functions. Weather protection. One of the primary advantages of window sills is their ability to direct rainwater away from the structure of your home, protecting your walls, floors, and foundation from water damage. A high-quality window sill material is crucial for ensuring this functionality. Support and insulation. Window sills also support the window frame, ensuring it stays securely in place. Additionally, they help insulate your home by preventing drafts and contributing to better energy efficiency. Structural integrity. The rigid sill on the bottom helps eliminate flexing to support the structure. Decorative space. Showcase plants, pictures, candles, etc. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.